Umthunzi is going on with his plan of saying that Dambisa is blind. Dambisa is playing along. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So Umthunzi invited Thoriso over to talk to Dambisa, saying that she's blind and that Thoriso must sort of give her tips, sort of like orientate her how she must act in public and blah, blah, blah. So they're going on with the plan. Also, Dambisa is blind. She lost her eyesight through because of diabetes. And then semi days at the salon, Bridget is trying to fish for news, saying, questioning the age of Mthunzi, because semi days says Mthunzi is in his 30s. Bridget's like he's in his 40s. So semi day ends up saying, so why the sudden interest starting to be suspicious? But Bridget covers it up, saying that maybe Kitoba Makotwalina, who knows? And then Mama Poet is Vamutwere, Kidiwan Vamutwere for stealing a Chelete Kuku. Returned the money and said that she found the money in Kuku's drawers. Kuku is certain that the drawers didn't have the money. And then Kuku, and then Thoriso was questioning how why the money disappears, and then Gidiboni comes to the house, the next thing Chigi money is back, tries to tell Poet about it, but Poet does not believe it, saying that's not true, Mama Akase Utsoli Kuku. On the other hand, Hloso is trying so hard to mend his relationship with Madlomo, saying that he does not want the divorce. Madlomo, when I got married, this was not the plan, but I've been staying throughout your cheating. I stayed because the kids were still young. I didn't want to disturb them. But Senkaten and Hloso have nothing more to give. So I've decided to leave you, go to Jabule Gatlino Dintle Wako. Unhloso does not want this divorce, but Umadlomo feels like she's certain she cannot take this anymore. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.